Today the mass demonstration and rally has been organized by the 24 Plus organization at Difu Samsung NT Park. So the main topic of our demand is same as 20 September 2016, the first memorandum that we have submitted. The main topic of our rally and demonstration is that the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council should have its own separate electoral role on basis of council election, which was our 24 Plus representative have filed a case in the Guwahati High Court, for which we have already won the case. And onto this matter, still now the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the HAD have not taken any step regarding this matter. So we would like to condemn them for not taking this necessary step, because this is the prior right of the Karbi people residing in the Karbi Anglong, and not only the Karbi people, all the tribal indigenous people. It is the genuine right of our people. So it is a constitutional right, and according to paragraph 2, subparagraph 7, the Act and Rule and the new separate electoral role according to paragraph 20 should be fulfilled as far as possible. And regarding the traditional village council, the autonomous council, council have not taken any step regarding this matter. So I would like to inform to the higher authority of KASC that kindly take this matter as a serious issue regarding this matter, because the tribal have its own traditional customs and regulation, for which we have on our tradition. So according to this tradition, we should have our own rights and we should have our own judiciary system. So for this, we would like to call out the Autonomous Council to kindly take this step as a serious issue. Otherwise, in the coming future, according to the constitutional and according to the democratic, we are going to go furthermore step, and we are going to take another furthermore step, for which anything untoward happen, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council will be fully responsible, and we will be demonstrating each and everything according to the democratic law of our country, and for which we would like to condemn the government of KASC as well as the HAD for not taking this matter up to very serious issue. For this, today we have a
Militum nadak rabat kecing hon, nori dong para cing hon rong rup kecing hon sar, lar kecing hon, basal jenis militum nang kedun ba.
Besar lo lah si, nadak ini lo, rong sara angkun lo lah si, diri lo, kasih mana cira berapa nih, mana orang pinta, rong sar, kentong sar, lah bangket palam lah si, rong sar, ini kecing baik palam si, rong sar diri, masa nang kedun lah.
Ini hai kuni hari krener cap militum Karbi Anglong saramai 24 plus hidung harili mate kasih songnang ko kalam thia putha kala hello kedamtang ningkan surini ra krener cap aningkan alang litum traditional village council nang alar panchayat teras nang keseng labang so puthang litum penangan kamphe bom bang bompen nilitum akinang ji bangke traditional village council sinangji athe nilitum hako Karbi Anglong district Longleng ko benda rong kachari garup kachari aron pensi nilitum Karbi Anglong phanke 6 schedule langi pi pasi nilitum Karbi labangso 6 schedule kerai kom ke nilitum Karbi rong saratum hello pasi labangso kerai kom thek non puan nanta labangso kerai kom thek badai labangso 6 schedule ka pangtang bangke nilitum niom niti aron atang Karbi traditional aron an ke nilitum kirim kibi nilitum rong sar hello tebon sita nilitum rong kachari ru kachari lapona kisung lo ye pini heme jangre pupum pohong tumenda nilitum ada masar kartab Karbi abada rongkerong omata nilitum kacirung kacirek ansi nilitum kapador nang anpar ge labangso traditional amokha sitame kibir keman dubo pini nilitum tangka poisa kami jone sitame pini Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council labangso 6 schedule area long alang litum panchayat teras alar nilitum phan traditional village council lang pilu bulu tang nilitum ta ansu se rong kucing thuru rakan ke nilitum ta klem thek ta sila bangso traditional village council sinang pinangji kula bangso nilitum mangmong pen nonan ningkan ke thom cokrang tanglo sitame nilitum hanang pacun pipe ta nilitum an paryong si nang pipe lang pulo de la ansu se akache song ta nilitum duthu jilang ate nilitum rong kecari rong saratom phan aman nang pipe rape nang pipe ancot kalilang non nilitum lapana kisung ke boy rong kecari nang labangso puthak nilitum pini anda arjap tiblang sita kebang jilang jong sila bangso traditional well council jong sinang pipi li pulong te dilitum ke mass resignation karbi rong asara me itu mass resignation on claim nang kok tahai lapen ke kali pulutang te nilitum politically sisteme omat nia sorkar phan sibe ke parem nang jibu sisteme nilitum parem nang kok tahai lati nilitum an sosial bangso ka chi song bang nilitum pang tang pon thujilang la bangso village council nang pipi te ke bang nilitum oe lapen la bangso separate electoral rule nang claim pipi tik ke nilitum ke la bangso ka chi song ke oe kali pulurang te nilitum karbi rong asara ro basara tuman te nilitum ka chi oji sinon ke kama thalo athe rong rup kachari ka chalom ka kisung so kalilo ate traditional arona tang nilitum ka pang tang nang ji kai amat karai kom nang ji lipun te nilitum ta labang so traditional village council ke nang ji pasila bang so di pivek nang ji la jong si nilitum hanang pipe pulurang te nilitum anso se ka chi song anso se pang tang thu jilang musin nilitum non chingwai bom lo
non laso puthak Karbianglong Autonomous Council pe step ke dang malak ke general village council si jongnan nai athe ladak rong asara tuma phana bangke chairman ke pek nai dim non tuan da laso abang abela lasi koson si traditional village council ko hala so village council la bangke general village council lasi nitum hala ke opos ke damtang arni penda opos lasi ke damtang 2014 model draft bill Karbianglong Autonomous Council pen village council la puthak keseng apota nilitum lasi opos lapen ke laso puthak abangke prabjin pen traditional village council sinangji lapen ke patu sikane nilitum bini adi bangke towar longan mangnang koklo lapen ke kedam jilang hote an sute ke bangke phanitum kache songi phansi